start from the entrance door para naman ninyo malaman, just in case you'll be able to come here in Cagayan de Oro. Then let me go out. Start ako dito sa labas. Yan ang labas ko. Yan ang dentist namin ni Shane dyan. So I'm now here outside. Yun ang makita natin at the outside here in front. Kasi ito ang front side. The back side is also facing the Gaston Park. So this space here to there is intended for ginama suppliers in front, yung mag-deliver yung mga customers dito dyan. So this is the front side. See that? Ginama. That is ginama. Yun na lang ako mag-live. Ito na lang. Kasi you can always stop every may darating na tao. And this is the entrance. Here, store hours. So we are having a promotion this coming Chinese New Year. Let's get inside. Here. On my right side, that will be supposedly coffee shop to. Kaya lang, we are still fixing it up. Merong nut tayo, yan. Pero wala na yata, naubos na. Tingnan pa natin. So this one here, supposedly will be, ito talagang coffee shop before. We were still trying to fix it kasi itong mga tables, medyo sira na. Ang gusto ni Shane yung medyo maliit lang. This is too big. Parang 3/4 lang yata ganito. So, lalo na ngayon na pandemic. So, mga food warmer yan, oh. That will also be in place here in my back. So, ayan. Empty pa. Kasi dami pang hindi nag-produce ngayon dahil sa pandemic. Nag-produce sila yung kunti-kunti lang. Meron tayong lavabo here. Lavatory. Yun ang coffee maker yata, oh. Ito. So this is where we're going to put the coffee maker. In this place here. May saucer na sana. We already started to prepare things here. Pero yun, nadali si Shane. At ako naman, pero at least andito na ako ngayon. Si Shane na lang. So we'll go here sa store. Unti-unti ating ayusin to. Let's continue. Ito, oven to. Yan, pwede naman siguro yan makabake, pero kunti lang. Yun, may CCTV naman tayo dito. Dami pang i-fix. Yan. May TV tayo na hindi pa nag-function kasi ewan ko kung saan yan i-connect kasi Shane will be the one to take care of that. So kung may mag-deliver, mga deliveries dito kami sa table para medyo naman malayo, social distancing pa din. So now yan ang door. Dito na ako stay in front sa door. And let's start here sa left side, mga native products. Maganda, oh, na paypay para pasalubong, guys. Oh, ganda, oh. This is 199 pesos. Ganda siya, oh. So we have mga handicrafts ito dito. Meron tayong mga notebooks here. Cute. Para sa mga jowa ninyo sa Valentine's. Meron namang malalaki na notebook. Maganda itong may mga designs, oh. Malaki. Ano kaya to? Ba't dyan kayo nag-park? Ito, oh, may mga frames. Ganda siya. Ito, parang calendar yata to. Oh, this is handmade from Salay. This one. Ganda ang mga ano nila, mga products nila. Gutsy fiber. Oh, ang ganda. Who's here? Ano to? Ay, fan. It's a fan. Ganda, oh. Oh. So, you can just keep it like that. So, ito parang wallet yata to, oh. All of these are handmade from Salay. Ito, an introduction to shop, ano yun? Paper and Design Materials Philippines. Ang ganda, oh. So, dito naman tayo. Tuloy tayo dito. This is supposedly a freezer, pero wala nang laman na ice cream kasi the last time nag-trip off ang kuryente. Pina-pull out namin yung ice cream, na chocolate ice cream pa naman ang laman nun. So, natunaw siya, hindi na pwede. So, nagawa na naman sila ulit. So, let's continue here. Yan, wala pang laman kasi nagpa-production pa yung mga kasamahan namin. But this one here, from Jelly, sila ang nag-supply sa amin ng butter. This is lemonade, limoncito, kalaman, dalandan, soda. The other one is limoncito, soda. Yun lang. Zero sugar. Okay. Ito, zero sugar to lahat. So, kumbaga, purely, kung ano ang taste ng limoncito, yun lang siguro. Dito naman tayo, mga jewelries. Here. Ang gaganda, guys, oh. I think I have made separate video of this. Meron na naman nag-parking that's supposedly not their parking. Wala. This will be one of those we are going to serve soon as we open the cafe. So, roasted bean. And then we have the turmeric ginger tea. Chadabai. Here below is turmeric also. Ginger brew. Looks masarap. Okay. And we have peanut butter. Sa wagas ito na supplier. We have cacao, this one of our best cacao tableya here. Meron pa maraming naggawa ng tableya kaya hindi pa nakapag-supply dito. Ito naman, bayabas jelly. Looks masarap. Sarap ata ito ah. Sandali, hindi pa yata nalagyan ng price. Lagyan ko to. And then we have rolled oats. Ito, gusto ko to. Tropical muesli. Muesli, ganun ba yun? Pag read. Si Shane lang alam paano niya basahin. We have also, tayo sa, sa kabila. We have face mask here. Ito mga cards yata to. Envelopes. Mga notebooks. These are made, handmade to guys. Ang ganda oh. Parang calendar, salay handmade. Parang calendar to. I've been here na ba? To Adlai rice. I don't know if you have tried Adlai rice. Healthy yan. Sarap, peanuts. And we have uyak oh. We have chicharon. Ang ngalan is chicharon. So these are the peanuts here. Oh, may organic peanuts guys, as in. So safe yan, safe, walang fertilizer. And we have Tumarong cashew nuts. Sila ang nag-supply sa amin ng yung sa oatmeal bars namin na cashew ang flavor. And then we also have banana chips. Yeah, sarap to oh, banana chips. Itong tikoy guys, this is only good for 4 days. Kaya pag mag-deliver sila, bili ka agad ang mga tao. Ito, 20 pieces yata ang to laman. Naku, this is very sarap. 1, 2, 3, 4, parang 12. Hi sir! This is Mga t-shirt, Higalay Festival. That Higalay Festival is during our fiesta here in Cagayan de Oro. And this one, guys, I know this is very nice. Oh, pain relief cream. Be happy. Ito, guys, I was able to smell it. Parang inhaler. Mint. Maganda. So, sa pang ngayon na kung ano ka sa COVID ngayon, this will be effective for me. Sleep tight, roll on. Uy, ang ganda naman ito. Ito din is wake me up. Uy, I'm not sure kung ano to. Is this a lipstick? Oil blend. To cheer up, roll on. Mga roll on pala to. Ganda. This one is massage oil. Massage oil. And this is citronella. Insect repellent and moisturizing spray. Maganda to pala para hindi ka dapuan ng mosquitoes. So, wala na doon. T-shirt pa din. Okay. And this one pala, virgin coconut oil soap. Sino yung mahilig nito? This is 100 pesos. Try nyo, guys, para ang kinis ang kutis. Ito talaga, gusto ko to. So, thank you guys for watching. See you again in my next post.